Humanoid robots are already working in factories right now. Not next year. Not in 5 years.
Right now, as you watch this video, dozens of humanoid robots are assembling cars, packing boxes, welding metal, and moving heavy loads on factory floors across the world. And the companies behind them are scaling production to 1 million units per year.
This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the reality of 2026, and it is transforming the global economy faster than any technology in history. Subscribe CTA 1. Before we dive into the details, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We cover AI and robotics every single day, and you don't want to miss what comes next. Segment 1, Tesla Optimus is already on the job. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is the most famous humanoid robot on the planet, and for good reason.
It has already been deployed inside Tesla's own Fremont factory, working autonomously alongside human employees since early 2026. Right now, multiple Optimus units are sorting battery cells, moving parts between assembly stations, and performing quality inspections without any human intervention. But here is what is even more staggering. Tesla is converting its entire Fremont facility into a dedicated Optimus production line with a target of 1 million units per year by the end of 2027. Elon Musk has repeatedly called Optimus the biggest product Tesla will ever make, claiming it could eventually be bigger than the entire car business. With a projected price tag between $20,000 and $30,000 per unit for businesses buying in bulk, that is a market worth trillions of dollars.
Every major automaker is watching closely. Segment 2, Figure 03 is leading the human pack. Figure AI is not waiting around either. Their Figure 03 robot is widely considered the most advanced commercially available humanoid in the world today. Over 10,000 units have already been deployed across BMW manufacturing facilities in South Carolina, Amazon fulfillment centers in Texas and Ohio, and other major logistics operations across North America and Europe. The Figure 03 can walk naturally, climb stairs with ease, carry up to 40 kilograms in each hand, and operate for over 20 hours on a single battery charge. What truly sets Figure apart is their approach to artificial intelligence. The robot runs a deep neural network trained on millions of hours of human warehouse footage, which means it learns and adapts to new tasks on the fly without needing explicit programming. BMW reported a 40% increase in assembly line efficiency where Figure 03s were deployed. That kind of immediate return on investment is impossible for any business to ignore. Subscribe CTA 2. If you are amazed by how fast this technology is progressing, smash the like button and subscribe. We bring you the latest AI breakthroughs every single week. Segment 3, Boston Dynamics Atlas goes fully electric. Boston Dynamics just retired their iconic hydraulic Atlas robot and replaced it with a completely new all-electric version that is more capable, dramatically quieter, and surprisingly cheaper to maintain. The electric Atlas can perform backflips, lift heavy industrial machinery, and navigate complex construction sites entirely autonomously. But the real game-changer is the partnership with Hyundai Motor Group. Over 500 Atlas units are now deployed in Hyundai's Korean manufacturing plants, handling the most dangerous tasks that previously caused hundreds of workplace injuries per year, like welding heavy chassis components and lifting entire engine blocks into position. Boston Dynamics has also released a developer software development kit, allowing third-party companies to program Atlas for their specific industrial needs. This single move is opening the floodgates for adoption across entirely new sectors like commercial construction, underground mining, and even agriculture. Segment 4, China is producing humanoids at unprecedented scale. While American companies like Tesla and Figure grab headlines in the West, China is quietly building the infrastructure to dominate humanoid robotics manufacturing at global scale.
companies like Unitree, Agibot, and Fourier Intelligence are all producing humanoid robots at volume, with prices as shockingly low as $16,000 per unit, significantly cheaper than comparable American models. China's humanoid robots were the biggest attraction at the World Robot Conference this year, where dozens of models walked, danced, climbed stairs, and even interacted naturally with visitors using advanced language models. The Chinese central government has made humanoid robotics a top national priority, allocating billions of dollars in subsidies to accelerate research, development, and factory deployment. Several industry analysts now predict that by 2028, China could be producing more humanoid robots than the rest of the world combined. The global robotics arms race is on, and it is accelerating faster than almost anyone predicted.
Segment 5: What this means for everyday workers. So what does all of this mean for real people with real jobs? The World Economic Forum estimates that while humanoid robots could displace up to 85 million jobs worldwide by 2030, they will also create 97 million new roles, from robot fleet operators and maintenance technicians to AI training specialists and integration engineers. The really important insight is that humanoid robots are not replacing human beings. They are replacing tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or physically demanding beyond what human bodies can safely endure. Warehouse employees who used to lift 30-kilogram boxes all day are being retrained to supervise and coordinate teams of 20 or more robots. Factory workers are becoming robot operators with higher pay and safer working conditions. The future of work is not humans versus robots. It is humans and robots working together in ways that make everyone more productive. Subscribe CTA 3. If you made it this far, you clearly understand how important it is to stay informed about AI and robotics. Hit subscribe now and never miss an update. OUTRO. Humanoid robots are no longer a distant dream or a science fiction fantasy. They are assembling our cars, packing our packages, and transforming factories from the ground up in 2026. The question is not whether robots will take over factories, they already have. The question is how quickly they will expand into every other industry, from construction sites to hospital corridors to your local restaurant. These machines are coming, and the companies that embrace them right now will define the next decade of human progress. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in the next video.